Hey guys, it's Kashif and welcome back to the Test Prep Pundits SAT Bootcamp. Last time we started off the topic linear equations and we solved this question here. Then I asked you to try this question over here. I hope you're able to solve it. It's very simple, exactly the same as the first question. Let me show you how to do it. H is equals to 3a plus 28.6. A pediatrician uses the model above to estimate the height h of a boy in inches in terms of the boy's age a in years between the ages of 2 and 5. Based on the model, what is the estimated increase in inches of a boy's height each year? This is the equation, and last time I told you that the y-intercept is going to be the start and the slope is gonna be your increase. Now, looking at the equation, 3a, your slope is gonna be 3, which means 3 is gonna be your increase. Let's take a look at the options and see if we find anything that matches. Yeah, A, the increase in inches of a boy's height each year is gonna be 3 because the slope of the equation is 3, and last time I told you how the y-intercept is gonna be the start and the slope is gonna be the rate of change. So this is a very easy question and you're going to mark option A 3. Now that I showed you how to do that, see if you can do this question right here. It's just as simple. The only thing here is you're going to be using both the intercept and the slope and not just one of the two. I hope you're able to solve it. I'll show you how to do it next video.